Hello, ways to declutter your finances. Now, most people will wonder, what am I decluttering? But let me start off by clean your wallet. I know most people don't even clean, even I know the thought at you should clean your wallet is almost a story. Anyway, you should clean your wallet. And this is by removing like receipts that you no longer use. And if you still need them, then you can always scan and save them to your iCloud or Google Drive and all that. Okay, so basically it's like you're also decluttering your wallet. Okay, then you need to also unsubscribe from unused subscriptions. Maybe you had subscribed to Netflix and you're no longer using it. Maybe it's about time you also like unsubscribe from that. If you have apps that you do not use, probably the loan apps, na hauna loan kwa hiyo app, just delete. It will also help you just avoid taking up bad loans. Okay, msisahau there is good loans and there are bad loans, but most times we go for the bad loans. Then you also need to review your financial portfolio and automate your savings or investments. So for example, you know very well maybe you need to save for your life insurance every month, so you can decide either unakata directly from your employer ama from your bank, so that you avoid any late payments ama kutoa talipa. Unajua sisi kama Africans tukipata pesa hivi it gets things to do, you know, hata zenye uko umepangia. Then you need to also give yourself like a goal for maybe the next 3 months. What can I do? How much do I need to put aside for a specific maybe trip or something? Because at the end of the day, tunafanyanga kazi, you also need to appreciate yourself, to relax. Yeah, so that's how you can be able to declutter your finances. I hope you have learned something today, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.